Your website comes with a fully functional blog that you can use to share whatever content you would like with your visitors. Your homepage has a section that automatically displays the most recent blog posts. You can go to the actual blog page by clicking the My Latest Blog Posts header on the homepage or use the blog link in the footer. We will click on the My Latest Blog Posts header on the page. All blog posts will be displayed on the blog page. You may have a few blog posts preloaded into your website as a sample. You can edit these or remove them and add your own if you wish. If you click on the blog post thumbnail, it will open up the blog post. Then you will see the entire blog post on its own unique page with a sidebar at the right side. You can also easily copy the link to your particular blog post and share it on your social media or send it to your friends and family. Generally, having a few well-written and useful blog posts will help to show your visitors that you are knowledgeable in your field and gives you a sense of authority. From the blog post you can return to the main blog page by clicking on the blog heading. To edit a blog post, go to the main dashboard. Then click on Posts from the left menu. Then click on the name of the blog post you would like to edit. This will bring up the blog post in the back-end editor. For blog posts we will use the back-end editor. Here you can easily edit the title and content simply by clicking and typing. If you would like to add an image into your post, simply click the Add Media button. Then browse for your desired image either in the library or upload the file that you wish using the file uploader. Then click on the Insert into Post button. You can play around with it to get the image to be positioned however you like. You can make it left-aligned, centered, in-line, etc. The featured image is the image that shows up in the blog post thumbnail on the homepage and the blog page. You can see the featured image here matches the image on the blog post thumbnail on the homepage and blog page. The featured image can be added, changed or removed by scrolling down to the bottom right of the page and then clicking whichever option you want. You can change the image in the same way as you change images anywhere else, such as by browsing in the media library or uploading a new image. By default, each blog post thumbnail on the home page or blog page shows a short preview of the first few sentences of the blog post. If you would like to enter specific text you want to show up in the blog post thumbnail preview, then you can enter it in the excerpt field. We will enter some sample test text just to show you how it works. Be sure to click on the blue Update button whenever you would like to save and publish your work. If we go back and refresh the page, we will be able to see our change to the blog post excerpt. As you can see, the blog post thumbnail preview has changed to the text that we wrote in the excerpt field. If you would like to create or assign new categories for your blog post, you can do so from the right side menu. We will add a new category called Exercise Tips. Again, be sure to click Update to save and publish your changes. If you would like to manage your blog post categories, you can go to the Categories subheading in the left side menu. Here you can add new categories or edit or delete existing categories. To add a new blog post, you can go back to the Posts page and then click Add New at the top. Or you can also click Add New from the left side menu. Then you would simply create your blog post and hit the blue Publish button when you are done. The blog post will automatically be added to your blog page, and since it will be the most recent post, it will also show up on your homepage in the blog section. To delete a blog post, go to the main dashboard. Then click on the Posts button from the left side menu. Put your mouse over the post you would like to delete. A Trash button will appear. Click on the Trash button to deactivate the post and move it to the trash. You can access the trash by clicking the Trash button, where you will be given the option to restore or permanently delete your trashed blog post. Another thing we can do is unpublish a post by turning it into a draft. This way only you can see it on the backend, but it won't be visible to the public. Simply put your mouse over the post you want to turn into a draft, then click on Quick Edit. Then in the Status drop-down menu you can change it to Draft. Be sure to press the blue Update button to save the changes. In this quick edit view you can also set a password to access the blog post, change the categories, change the published date and change the title. If you will not be using your blog you can simply hide it from your homepage in case you would like to use it again later. To do this, simply go into the front-end editor for your home page and click on the section where the blog posts are displayed. You will then see a blue ribbon pop up which represents the settings for that section. Click the gear icon and the section settings pop-up will appear. Then go to the Advanced tab up top. Click on the Visibility header and check off the boxes to disable on phone, tablet and desktop. Then click the green checkmark. Then remember to click on the Save button at the bottom right to save and publish. Now the blog section on the homepage will be hidden from the public view to visitors. You will still see the blog section in the front-end editor but it will be faded so that you know it has been hidden from the public view. In the future if you would like to show your blog posts again on the homepage, simply go back into the settings and remove the checkboxes to disable on phone, tablet and desktop. Remember to save and publish your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom right. If you need any help just let us know as we are always happy to lend a helping hand.